Wall lighting is the perfect addition to any room. A great way to make a space feel more inviting and complete. A key component of any layered lighting scheme is a best option for enhancing the beauty of your home. Wall lighting make a room feel brighter and larger while creating a pleasing atmosphere. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Home Decor Ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you latest, trending, and amazing wall lighting design ideas. So please keep watching the video and also hit on like button for YouTube algorithm. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Wall mounted fixture balance overhead light source and add that little something extra to round out the decor. They are a great way to literally make a house feel like a home. What room is the best place for a wall source? How do I light art on my wall? That is the question. You have several options for lighting art and pictures on the wall. The route you go depend on the nature of your space as well as the amount of time and money you are willing to spend. You can always use a standard picture lights which can either be hard or plug. The size of the artwork determine the size of the picture light needed. Another option is to use wall lighting is a wall, ceiling or track lighting system. This gives you the flexibility to add more lighting on the artwork or move or change artwork along the rail, and it is a great solution if you do not yet know exactly where the art will go. This solution is ideal for art galleries with changing displays. Can I mount a reading light to the wall in my bedroom? Yes, I would suggest using a swing arm reading wall sconces. This variety of wall mounted reading light offers the most flexibility to move and adjust the light perfectly for reading. A wall sconce with a fabric shade will diffuse the light, delivering a nice warm glow in the bedroom. A reading wall light with a flexible illustration look and typically has a narrow, more focused beam for precision aiming. This is a nice when you want to read at night without disturbing your partner. The cool to the touch LED night by. There are also reading wall scones that combine both style in one fabric shade with additional reading light attached. What else should I keep in mind when shopping for wall lighting? Wall fixtures are mounted at eye level, so avoid open fixture and exposed bulbs. CRI are also important for wall lighting as with any light fixture. Some people use 27K to 30K lighting sources which are warm, easy on the eye and inviting. These are the ideas I have shown you in this video. I hope that you like these ideas. I am very thankful to all of those who watched the video till at the very end because it is a great sport for me that viewers watching my video till at the very end. It will increase the value of my YouTube channel. I am very thankful to all of those who subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.